Wildlife in Florida is crazy as a motherfucker. Coconuts everywhere. Trees and shit. Florida's crazy as a motherfucker, yo. Jay-Z, you crazy for this one? Alright. Alligators. To make up for all the lost time. We're all Where's that bloody manatee? Still, she's still around, huh? Yeah. Cigarette smokers.
Did you get a picture of the spider?
Yeah.
Were you able to zoom in and see him closer?
The spiders, yeah. These are crazy, man.
Pull your pants up over your hips, not under your bum.
Under your bum. Ah, man, that's hot. That's my biological mother.
See the baby?
It's got a baby?
Yeah, he said it's got a baby.
It's a male.
Huh. Oh, man.
Sorry?
They still won't come out?
Nope, they said that's her normal behavior.
Almost dead, huh?
Yeah.
Comatose, that's her normal behavior.
Yeah.
Good eats. Come on, buck up, old ma. You'll be alright. What the fuck is that thing, man? Get away from me, you bloody killer bee. Ah, wildlife footage right here. Look at this shit. Killer bees. From the palm trees. The little paw busts right open. You get one of those bee factories. Here we go. Here's one of the paws that broke open. That. Florida. Back to the manatee. Manatee at hand. Manatee! Sea cow! Get up, sea cow! Sea cow! Get up, sea cow! What are you waiting for? What is wrong with this motherfucker? You're boring me. Die or come back to life. Stop fucking hanging in this fucking limbo shit. Die. Life. Live or die. Cause I ain't got time for you. You bloody fucking wanker. Where the fuck are you?